bored. This is the end. Here we go, here we go, here we go. One, nothing wrong with me. So you go on my pillow. Two, something's got to give. Something's got to give. Huh?
They're not just repeating stuff.
It's a good band though. You lied. Blood. You're all by yourself, but you're not alone. Blood to blood.
Huh?
Sympathia. You have Bearsy.
Eh?
She's holding Bearsy.
She is.
She is that bitch.
Why?
Because it saw your face. I'm just kidding.
That would mean it would freeze, so like, look at it. I think it ran out of battery.
It had 23% like 2 minutes ago.
That's defeating.
It's great to know. Let's go swimming.
Yeah, you want to?
I do. She doesn't.
I don't know.
Why?
Fine, then you can sit here. I don't feel like
You can like sit on the porch then.
that's good. You can ride scooters there.
I'll walk.
Occasionally, it like comes naturally.
She just threw Bearsy.
I know!
Go kill her.
Oh, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down.
Looks like you guys are gonna make out. Oh, not near me, not near me. If Bearish got it at an anime convention that she loves dearly.
Imagine if you're sleeping outside like you are. That'd be freaky as heck. Elaine. What? I love you. Okay. I love Bearsy. That's great. Don't throw him. Okay.
It's a her? I thought it was a he.
I said him.
No, I said don't throw her. You have to cover her mouth too in order to suffocate her.
I'm not suffocating her. It's just fun to pinch people's noses. Are you taking a video?
Mhm. I've been for the past 3 minutes.
What? What are you doing? Okay, I want to ride a scooter. Come on, come on.
Yeah, I'll be walking.
She wants to ride a scooter. Come on, come on.
We have to get changed.
I have to pee.
Go swimming.
Come
Yeah,
get
you
changed,
do.
Emily.
Not with you. Jesus.
We have 3 bathrooms in my room, okay? In your room?
In your room.